How do you get rid of that unsightly mess of cables underneath the conference room in an AV installation? Well, FSR has the answer with the new Wire Marshal. FSR has the only complete solution that routes your cable from any position underneath the table all the way down to your floor. The Wire Marshal mounting bracket provides two functions. First, it's the mounting point for the cable pathway down to the floor. But additionally, it acts like a spool to take up excess cabling underneath the table. The under-table channel is a key part of the Wire Marshal system. It mounts easily under the table, either using screws or adhesive strips that are included with the system. With the under-table channel's soft retention edge, cables are just slid inside the channel and held firmly in place. With the cable pathway, there are two distinct channels down from the underside of the table to the floor. This provides you the capability of running high and low voltage simultaneously down through the pathway. The living hinge allows the compartments to open and close simply to make a quick and easy install of the Wire Marshal product. To finish your Wire Marshal installation, you take our two-piece floor boot, snap it together, and it adjusts to the proper height so you have a complete finished installation and no visible cables from the table all the way down to the floor. The FSR Wire Marshal, the best way to manage your wires underneath any table.